No, I'm just, I'm pretty much live. I'm filming. I have a live stream internet show. And so what I'm doing is I'm just filming it for the internet show. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm pretty much right here, hanging out, and just filming it right now, yeah. Yeah. I'm getting a good enough hits on my set. I'm just getting more and more, so I'm pretty much going for good content and like, whatever, and fun and shit like that. So I'm getting good results. And right now I'm just kind of looking for sponsorship and stuff like that, really. That's why I'm waiting. I have to build it up first, get good content, and then you sell your sponsorship and stuff like that, right? Where are you staying right now in Vancouver? All right. Oh, no way. What are you doing right now? Which ship are you working on? Okay. I took a cruise a few weeks ago. I loved it. I went to a cruise to Alaska and I loved it, man. Yeah. The Norwegian Pearl we went on. Yeah. Yeah, it was pretty fucking awesome. Yeah. Are you going to Alaska? You're doing the Alaska stuff right now. It's fucking just kind of beautiful, isn't it? We went to Segway, we went to Ketchikan, we went to Juneau, we went to Prince George, BC. Yeah, so places like that, on the regular place, I guess.